You are welcome, and if you are watching this particular video, you know that I'm talking about Arichain, and the time left that we have now is about 9 hours, 9 minutes, and 26, and the countdown still continue to countdown. So everybody is anticipating what is about to happen now next. So some people are thinking it is listening, but I tell you it is not listening. But I think the other instructions that they will still have to push, that we will still have to do. But don't forget what I did last time is that always come to this particular place, check this your info, type click on it, check if your EVM wallet is still correct and the Discord server you link and also the X account you link is still intact, because a lot of people account has been hacked and they have actually changed their details. So that if you know you are one of those victims, so you try as much as possible to all correct it, so that your token allocation won't be going to another. So in this particular video, I'll be asking two paramount question that has been running in a lot of mind of people. The first one is that, are we going to be getting two token, this Ari guide and this one, this Ari token, and also will there be a division among the particular token that will be getting? For now, I can't actually see it because these two tokens here, which is the Ari guide, I don't know if it will be sum up together and will be giving a kind of a division about this particular. I can't actually say, but let's still sit and watch what Ari team has in mind for. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to upload another video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge to join, so that you get to learn more about cryptocurrency and also about other airdrop. It is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. And if you want to join, watch every video I've created about Ari token, I'll be leaving them in the description of this particular video. Let me quickly show you something really fast. This is an important question which a lot of people have also been asked, and I'm happy that the Ari team has actually answered it. Look at it. See, do I need to register on Discord as well after submitting tax proof of Ari Wallet app? So we all know that the Ari Discord server was actually hacked, and before it was hacked, a lot of people, more than 30% of Ari users have not actually completed their Discord server boot account binding. So look at what the Ari team actually like. Say for now, you only need to complete the Ari wallet registration. So for now, let's still forget about the Aribot wallet binding. Maybe they have not actually fully recovered their Discord server from those hackers, but we are still waiting for the further instruction. Just make sure that you go to your Ari wallet and bind it. And there was one amazing question I saw there. Look at it. I doubt if this person has actually saw my video, because if this person has actually seen my video, he won't be asking this particular question. Look at it. Say, please, how can I get my EVM address from Trust Wallet? I say this EVM stands from Ethereum Virtual Machine, and your Ethereum wallet is still the same thing as your EVM wallet. So just go to your Trust Wallet, and you see receive, send. You tap on that particular receipt, the address you see there, you just copy it. I have a video where I've actually done that. You just see the address there, you tap on copy and you just paste it on your Ari app, and that is just it. You are good to go. So I'll be dropping every video how you need to do this particular Ari wallet proof of tax. I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to upload another video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.